$270,000 van with no generator? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the 2025 Grech Strada-ion AWD, a luxury Class B motorhome that challenges everything you thought you knew about RVs. Is this the ultimate off-grid travel machine or just an overpriced sprinter? Stick around until the end, because we'll uncover some surprising features that might just change your perspective. The 2025 Grech Strada-ion AWD is built on the Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 XD 170-inch extended high-roof chassis, featuring all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and stability. This model is designed for those seeking a blend of luxury, functionality, and advanced technology in their travel experiences. Under the hood, the Strada-ion AWD is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder high-output diesel engine, delivering 208 horsepower and 332 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, this setup ensures smooth acceleration and efficient fuel consumption. The vehicle also boasts a towing capacity of up to 5,000 pounds, making it suitable for hauling additional gear or small trailers. One of the standout features of the Strada-ion is its innovative lithium-ion battery system. This setup includes a 300 amp-hour battery bank, a 3,000-watt inverter, and a 300-watt solar panel, allowing for eco-friendly off-grid power without the need for a traditional generator. The system is designed to provide reliable energy for all onboard amenities, ensuring comfort during extended travels. Inside, the Strada-ion showcases meticulous craftsmanship with hand-stitched ultra-leather seating, solid surface countertops, and sleek hardwood cabinetry. The open concept design includes a spacious lounge with 2 captain's chairs and a rear power sofa that converts into a comfortable sleeping area for 2. State-of-the-art technology features include a 24-inch LED smart TV, Apple TV integration, and a premium Fusion sound system. The galley is equipped with a stainless steel sink, induction cooktop, microwave, and a spacious 12-volt refrigerator. The wet bath includes a shower, toilet, and vanity, providing all the comforts of home on the road. Externally, the Strada-ion is designed with practicality and style in mind. It features an integrated awning with LED lighting, ample storage compartments, and a sleek aerodynamic profile. The vehicle's dimensions, approximately 24 feet in length, strike a balance between spacious interior accommodations and maneuverability on the road. For climate control, the Strada-ion is equipped with a roof-mounted air conditioner and the Truma Combi Eco furnace and water heater, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. The vehicle's insulation and heating systems are designed to maintain a comfortable interior temperature, whether you're traveling in hot or cold climates. The 2025 Grech Strada-ion AWD is priced between $235,000 and $270,000, depending on the specific configuration and optional features selected. This premium pricing reflects the vehicle's high-end materials, advanced technology, and comprehensive amenities. The 2025 Grech Strada-ion AWD redefines what it means to travel in luxury. With its advanced power systems, high-quality interior finishes, and thoughtful design, it offers a unique blend of comfort and functionality for the discerning traveler. Whether you're planning short getaways or extended road trips, the Strada-ion provides a reliable and luxurious home on wheels. If you're interested in experiencing the pinnacle of Class B motorhomes, the Grech Strada-ion AWD is certainly worth considering. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the latest in luxury travel vehicles.